That's what we just installed.
New, old. Please tell me we're gonna clean this.
Well, I mean, we have to. I told Tyler.
It's so disgusting.
It bothers me standing here.
It does. When I was
yesterday, I was standing here for 2 minutes. I'm like, I have to walk away. I can't even look at that.
Yeah. I wanted to like spray it down. Like even taking a picture of this is. I can't make that look cleaner.
Put the air gun on the air hose and blow it and see what happens.
Yeah, I mean the air hose is going to be at least a solid start. But we're probably going to have to do more than that.
Yeah, that's gross.
Yeah, I can't I can't ship that like that. It'll bother me way too bad.
It bothers me. And it had leaves up there too, that was bothering
my
me.
biggest pet peeve.
Leaves?
It's funny, in one video, Eric, my pet peeve is right when the reservoir, when the thing is on the wrong way.
And then he had the door.
Yeah, because it's like, there is a correct way to put it on. People think there's not. There's like a square notch, and then a triangle notch on the one. It'll fit on any way, but it's just not the correct way. On the correct way, it's turned right and it angles at you. Yeah, I hate
we know.
bothers me. Do it right. That's all. It takes the same amount of time.
Yeah. Let's go down to this Trailblazer.
Yeah, I'm not looking forward to it. It's probably chilly over there. Probably.
It's not warm.
It is not. It will not be warm now.
Oh, dude, that was awesome.
Why is that cracking?
Way too excited about that. Way too excited.
He sure did.
It was a funny shot walking into and see Plumber Eric over here.
Hey man.
Hey, at least you're cleaning. Good for you.
Man, it is hot upstairs. Oh, dude, that's why I say turn the fans on. It's 15 degrees hotter out there.
The exhaust system was up there. I walked in like, it's warm up here.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, that's why I have the fans on.
Are they facing the right way though, like pushing it down versus like?
I mean, it'll circulate the air regardless.
That's true.
Really?
Well, they do. There's two settings.
He's right. You put it the other way, it'll pull air up.
Yes.
This way, normal way will push it down.
Correct. There's two
not
settings.
the right way. I mean, how is it possible to put them the wrong way?
The fan
There's a switch on.
There's a switch.
Yeah.
You can switch them.
You didn't know that?
On those, on the actual fans.
Yes.
Yeah, on the fans. I'm sure we're not going up there and switching every fan.
No.
How's that bike footage turn out?
Shaky, but funny. It's being uploaded right now. You're the thumbnail, by the way. Doing a burnout on the bike.
Oh, really?
It's pretty funny. It's not horrible. Once the fans go on.
Yeah, I was gonna say once
doesn't help at all.
It's 408.
Okay.
But that throttle body and air intake are probably holding it back 50 horsepower.
Yeah, it's a little guy.
Yeah.
What's up everybody and welcome back to the channel. I apologize, we forgot to do a giveaway last week.
So we're gonna do 2 this week. We're gonna take comments from 2 weeks ago and last week, and we're gonna give you those 2 winners. So obviously keep the comments coming. We're gonna keep doing it every week. Again, I apologize, but 2 winners this week. We'll make it fast. All right, so we are going to do 2 weeks ago first. Let's do the one with less views, which was the Don't Do This to Your Z06. All right, everybody's name is in for 2 weeks ago. Let's get our winner. Jake Bush. Dang. Well, simple comment, but he is subscribing, and we have our winner. All right, so for last week's video, we are going to pick the top 5 videos and builds from 2017. Basically a recap video. Has not as many comments, so the people who are always commenting, liking, subscribing, those sort of people, they have a little bit better chance. So like I said, every week we're gonna do it, so make sure you're subscribing and commenting. All right, so everybody who commented on last week's video is in. Let's hit random. Orlando Hundreds. Every car you guys build is a beast. Well, thank you, sir. We appreciate it. And you won last week's giveaway. Don't forget, everybody, subscribe, like, and comment to win in our giveaway.
So,
Hi there, buddy. When did this come in?
you obviously didn't see the group message from this weekend, man.
I didn't get one.
Sure.
Who's the R1?
ZR1, actually.
ZR1.
Yeah, that's why I said it was ZR1.
I got it. Thanks.
Yep.
So what's this thing getting?
We're neat.
Flux capacitor.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Headers and clutch. What clutch? Monster? That monster
it
over
already
there?
has headers, but it's getting the 2-inch headers.
Oh, it's 1 7/8 on it now.
Yep. It looks like these headers were literally just installed.
Probably work.
Huh?
Probably work. So I feel like everybody should just go 2-inch from the start.
Yeah. Especially on a car like this.
Yeah. Go big or go home. I think it's funny that I said before how big these headlights are without the bumper. Well, now you can see how much is actually being covered by the bumper.
Yeah.
That's why they look so big. That's all you see. So I'm not crazy, they are huge. Just saying.
So it looks like blow's pretty much
Supercharged
done.
kit's done. Just put spark plugs in it. They got to do fuel system. Be pretty much done.
Nice.
Still needs clean. I'm waiting on you to do that.
Dude. Maybe over the next few days when it's supposed to be like 40s and 50s.
I even blew it off this morning.
It's so dirty.
It's like stuck on there because you can see where I blew it off this morning because that was all caked in there. It's,
Yeah.
came out some, but it's still just nasty.
I'll take it outside, clean it up
Do that.
when it's warm. It's cold. Still. Until tomorrow.
It's supposed to be like 40 tomorrow.
Yeah, that's warm. When it's been 10, 40 is warm.
Yeah.
Eric!
Shut up.
You blow us here, Eric.
You know, I took it off the truck.
Oh, because
Well, you're upstairs jerking off.
the huge FedEx guy can't lift anything?
Right?
Oh,
It's fancy.
Yeah, it's about time.
Fancy. That's called trash.
it's purdy.
I usually cut around it and I'll leave it right there. Oh, I need this box for the. I was gonna put the stainless works in there.
okay.
Whoa, you think stainless works fit in there?
Yeah, definitely.
You think?
Oh, the old mufflers?
Yeah. Why don't you go grab one, Steve?
Alright.
Make yourself useful.
Yeah.
So in case you missed it, someone paid for shipping on these, and they're taking them. Hi there, doctor. So I guess the guy that got these already has these on his car, and he wanted to he wanted to modify them anyway, so there you go.
I've waited way too long for this.
You happy now?
When you leave, I will be.
It's messed up, man. You're not doing very good on your New Year's resolutions, you know that?
Yeah, you're still doing the same old you were last year, though.
I didn't say I was going to change. You said you were going to change.
Yeah.
That's the difference.
Let's see what I got to do here to get this baby installed.
Oh yeah, it's about time. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
See?
Got plenty of room.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. You were like, do we have enough room? I'm like, oh yeah. That tape held up pretty good.
That was Bill's idea.
That was Steve's idea.
It was not.
You think I would have something like that?
You literally go, let's painter's tape it. I'm like, that is not gonna hold.
I just don't want him open. Like, hey, look at this! And slicing his fingers.